I mean,
Oh,
oh
and
my god,
what?
on Tartarus.
Yeah. 64 to 100, yeah.
That's
Bro,
crazy.
you're gonna beat it soon. Good luck on your
Yeah.
first even.
Whoa. Gonna beat it soon, guys. I've actually done that run twice because I forgot to, or I rather didn't have Shadow Play on when initially doing it, so I really wanted to put it on YouTube, and I found out it wasn't recorded, and I was like, oh. Then I did it again like 2 million years later.
You know, hopefully they have the thumbnail because it's really funny.
My cat's meowing, but I'm going on Hurricane.
Good luck.
Fuck off, cat.
I'm at like 16.
Ooh.
Except make the C a K, and then you have an accurate saying. Oh boy, loading up GD, I'm gonna lose my soul.
Don't die this time. Yeah, I beat it.
Nice.
Thank fucking God.
Let's go. I did not die there 2 times. Thank
This
you.
is fantastic
1, 4, 3,
news.
2.
No more mid.
8, 4, 2. 1, 4, 3, 2 plus that.
Sandburger clear.
Let's go. 1, 4, 3, 2 plus 8, 4, 2. 2.2k. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Awesome. Pack completes. One more extreme until 50. Let's go.